Hello students, welcome to Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya Education Institutions. I am Pradnya Mathematics faculty from Infinity Learn. तो बच्चों हम देख रहे हैं चैप्टर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और आज है हमारा लास्ट लेक्चर. ऑलमोस्ट सारे कंसेप्ट हमने खत्म कर लिए हैं. एक ही कंसेप्ट बची है जिसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी इन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. ओके, सो बिफोर दैट लेट अस ब्रश अप द कंसेप्ट्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड. उसके ऊपर थोड़े क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, उसके बाद हम मूव करेंगे टुवर्ड्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी इन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. हेलो हफ्सा, गुड इवनिंग. हेलो. So first let us solve some questions. So in the first question you have the quadratic equation whose one root is 3 plus root 2. So whenever, see, we have already discussed that whenever you have irrational roots, they will always occur in conjugate pairs, right? So whenever you have 3 plus root 2 as one root, definitely the second root will be 3 minus root 2. Okay, so whenever you have irrational roots, they will occur in conjugate pair. So if you have 3 plus root 2 as one root, 3 minus root 2 is another root. If you have 5 plus root 2 as one root for the quadratic equation, 5 minus root 2 will be the second root, right? Root 2 plus root 3 is one root, then root 2 minus root 3 will be the second root for your quadratic equation. Now once you know both your quadratic equation roots, you can form your equation, right? Let us form. So here we have one root, let it be alpha, which is nothing but 3 plus root 2. Then second root beta will be what? 3 minus root 2. If alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, then what will be a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. Now let us do. So here substitute the values, get the answer. So this is x square minus, what is sum of the roots? This is 3 plus root 2 plus 3 minus root 2 into x plus product of the roots 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2 equal to 0. तो यहाँ से आपको मिलेगा this is nothing but x square minus root 2 minus root 2 get cancelled, 3 plus 3 6 times x plus this is a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So 3 square 9, root 2 square 2. So this will be 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So you will get answer as x square minus 6x plus 7 is 0. Okay, so this is the required answer, which is x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. Go with the options. Option C is correct. Fine. In the same way, for the next question, see, you need to form a quadratic equation where one of the root is minus 3 minus 2y. Again, similar to irrational roots, suppose if your quadratic equation is having imaginary roots, then they will also occur in conjugate pair. For example, if you have alpha plus I beta is root for the quadratic equation, then there is a guarantee the second root is, it will be always alpha minus I beta. Okay. So here you have one root alpha as minus 3 minus 2y. Then the second root beta will be change imaginary sign. Okay, I means imaginary number, change its sign. So this is minus 3 plus 2y. So if alpha and beta are the roots, form quadratic equation. The quadratic equation will be x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So now this will give you x square minus, what is alpha? Minus 3 minus 2y. What is beta? Minus 3 plus 2y times x plus the product, it is minus 3 minus 2y into minus 3 plus 2y is equal to 0. So from here you will get this as x square minus, now see minus 2i plus 2i get cancelled, minus 3 minus 3, you are getting minus 6 times x plus, see this is a plus b, a minus b form, right? A is minus 3 and b is 2y. So this is a minus b into a plus b form, which is a square minus b square. So a square means minus 3 whole square minus, what is here b? 2i. So b square will be 2i whole square. So now this is x square minus minus plus 6x plus minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square is plus 9. Now say this is minus 2 square into I square. 2y whole square, that means 2 square is 4 into I square. Now I means imaginary number, right? So the value of I is square root of minus 1. Okay. So you have the value of I, it is imaginary number, the value is root minus 1. Then what will be the value of I square? I square is nothing but root minus 1 whole square. And what is root square? The number itself, right? Root means the power is half. दुर्गेश्वर, आर यू आस्किंग योर डाउट? क्या है वो क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है क्या? मतलब आपको डाउट है क्या वहाँ पे? तो सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर आई स्क्वायर वैल्यू. सो दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 6x plus 9 minus 4, I square is minus 1, right? And then you will get this as x square plus 6x, and this is minus minus plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13. And it is an equation, right? So equal to 0. This is the answer. X square plus 6x plus 13 equal to 0. So your option A is correct here. Okay. Okay. So Durgeshwar have asked one doubt and he want root for the solution, which is a quadratic equation. 9x square minus 9 times a plus b into x, and then 2a square plus 5 plus 2b square. So what will be your approach? You need to see here, for quadratic equation you need to split this, right? So you want your sum to be minus 9 into a plus b, and you want your product to be 9 into 2a square plus 5 plus 2b square. So can we factorize this? Right? So the thing is, can we factorize this? The product, if we able to factorize so that the sum is minus 9 times a plus b and the product is 9 into 2a square plus 5 plus 2b square, then we are done, right? So find two numbers whose product is this. 9 inside the bracket 2a square plus 5 plus 2b square. So which are the points you will get, see? Can you come up with some points? So we can take this as 2 inside a square plus b square, right, and plus 5. We need to do some factorization here so that we will get the answer. This is 9 inside 2 into a plus b whole square minus 2ab plus 5. or you can go with direct solution. See, here it is difficult, then apply your direct formula. Are you getting by direct formula the roots? Because this is a quadratic equation, right? Go with the direct formula. What you are getting x as? That is the most simplest form. So here x is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? So here you have b as minus 9 times a plus b. So minus b will be 9 times a plus b, plus or minus in the root. B square means 9 into a plus b whole square. So it will be 9 square into a plus b whole square, means a square plus b square plus 2ab, minus 4ac, right? So it is 4 into 9 into you have c as 2a square plus 5 plus 2b square whole divided by 2a means 2 into 9, which is 18. Let us simplify this. This is the easy way. So you are getting this as x is equal to 9 times a plus b plus or minus. Now see here 9 is common, right? If you take 9 out of root, it will become 3. Under root you have. Here 1 9 gone, so 1 9 is remaining. So this will be 9a square plus 9b square plus 18ab minus, now see 9 gone, so multiply with 4. Minus 4 into 2, 8a square. Next minus 4 into 5, minus 20, minus 4 into 2, 8b square. Whole divided by, you have it as 18. So this is nothing but x as 9 times a plus b plus or minus 3 times under root. 9a square minus 8a square means a square. Next you have 9b square minus 8b square means plus b square. Next you are getting, right, we did this calculation, plus 18ab, and next you are getting minus 20 whole divided by 18. But again you are not getting any factors. Where is 5ab you are saying? In between 5ab you have. Okay, then it is simple. You have it as an 9x square minus 9 times a plus b times x plus this is 2a square plus 5ab plus b square, right? So this is nothing but your 9x square minus 9 times a plus b times x. So now you can do this, right? Because here you want your multiplication to be 2 into 2 4, a square into b square, and addition to be 5ab. So numbers will be what? 4ab and ab. 4ab plus ab is 5ab, 4ab into ab is 4a square b square. So factorize that, what you will get the answer as? You have this as 2a square plus 4ab plus ab plus 2b square. So this is 2a inside a plus b plus here it is a b common, here b common, inside you will get again a plus b. Right, here 2a is common, so this is a plus b into 2a plus b. Okay, so here you got this as a plus b into 2a plus b. so here if you take b common, you will get a plus 2b, right? You are getting a plus 2b inside. Yeah. Now here what you want? Now here you want your addition to be minus 9 times a plus b and multiplication to be a plus 2b and 2a plus b. So it is simple now, because see directly you have 9 into a plus 2b into 2a plus b. So what are the factors? The factors you can consider here are, you can take 9 into a plus 2b Okay, so you want multiplication to be 9 into a plus 2b into 2a plus b, right? So this will be 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. So here you want, see this is nothing but you can treat this as a quadratic equation in A. This is a quadratic equation in A. 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. So here you have multiplication to be 2a square into 2b square, means 4a square b square. Addition is 5ab. So numbers are 4ab and ab. In that way you can go and factorize. Now you want your addition to be minus 9 times a plus b, multiplication to be 9 into a plus 2b into 2a plus b. So I can take numbers first 3 times a plus 2b and 3 times 2a plus b. So that see here I will get then 3 into 3 9 and then a plus 2b into 2a plus b. But at the same time I should get multiplication as minus 9 times a plus b. So addition if I do, I want negative sign, means see here you have 2b and here you have 2a. And multiplication you want to be plus. So if I take minus sign to both, no, there is some problem with your question. Okay, so please bring correct question. Now once you factorize this, you should be able to solve this question. Okay, some problem you have with your question. The next question comes, they will ask you to find maximum, but then you are not getting the answer. You have this as 9x square minus 9 times a plus b times x, and then here you will get the answer as a plus 2b into 2a plus b, which is equal to 0, right? Which is nothing but 2a square, 2b square, 2ab and 2ab. Ab you can split this as in this way. So this will be a is common, so this will be a plus 4b. Okay. Okay, Durgeshwar, no problem, we will see this question. Okay. So before this question, let us solve this. So they will ask find the maximum value or minimum value for your quadratic equation. Now in that case, what to do is nothing but convert this as a perfect square. Perfect square. Why? Because whenever you have a real number, okay, then x plus b whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. Or if you consider x minus a whole square, it is always greater than or equal to 0. So square term is always greater than or equal to 0. So convert this as a perfect square. So whenever you have minus x square, make it as a plus x square by taking minus sign as a common. So this will become minus inside x square minus 6x plus 7. So this is minus inside x square minus. perfect square means a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? This is x square minus 2 into 3x plus, say you have x square minus 2 into 3 into x, so you want one more term which is 3 square. Next minus 3 square plus 7. So this is your perfect square. So this is minus x minus 3 whole square, and then you have inside the bracket minus 9 plus 7. So this is minus x minus 3 whole square, minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2, minus minus plus 2. Right? Now see, we have x minus 3 whole square is greater than or equal to 0. If I multiply negative sign, then I will get minus x minus 3 whole square as less than or equal to 0. Now adding on 2 on both the side, you will get minus x minus 3 whole square plus 2 less than or equal to 0 plus 2, 2. And this is the maximum value. Your function is less than or equal to 2. Okay, so that's why answer is 2. सच में लो वाई से सब के लिए. Next comes cube root of unity. So cube root of unity is nothing but whenever you have solution for x cube equal to 1, all the possible solutions for x cube equal to 1, they are called as cube root of unity. Why? Because if x cube is 1, you will get x as what? 1 power 1 by 3, right? Raising power both the side by 1 by 3, 1 by 3, you will get x as 1 by 3. So this is cube root of 1, cube root of unity, which is your x. So x cube equal to 1, how many solutions it has? Those all solutions are called as cube root of unity. Now solve this. So from here, you will get this as x cube minus 1 cube is 0. So from here, what is a cube minus b cube? A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab is 0. So this is x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here see, either you have x minus 1 as 0 and you have x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here you will get x as 1. One solution you got. The next solution you will get from here, okay? And solve this. So from here you will get x as minus 1 plus or minus in the root. B square means minus 1 square 1, minus 4ac means minus 4 divided by 2 into 1 means 2. So from here you will get x as minus 1 plus or minus root 3I divided by 2. Right? So these are the solutions you got. So solutions you got here are x as 1, next minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2, and next minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. These are the three solutions you got for the equation x cube equal to 1. Now there is standard names for these roots, okay? So they will say x as 1 and minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, इसको बोलते हैं ओमेगा, ओके? तो सपोज आपने ओमेगा स्क्वायर कैलकुलेट किया तो आपको मिलेगा ये minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 whole square. It is nothing but minus 1 plus I root 3 whole square upon 2 square. Minus 1 square 1, I square is minus 1 into root 3 square is 3. Okay. Minus 2I root 3 divided by 2 square is 4. So it is minus 2 minus 2I root 3 divided by 4. And it is nothing but minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Fine. So ये क्या है आपका? ये है आपका ओमेगा स्क्वायर, राइट, विच इज अ थर्ड रूट. सो आपका जो क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी है, इसके पास तीन रूट्स होते हैं विच आर नथिंग बट 1 ओमेगा एंड ओमेगा स्क्वायर. एनी डाउट हियर? ओके, तो ये आपका 1 है, ये ओमेगा है, और इसका अगर आपने स्क्वायर किया तो आपको थर्ड रूट मिलेगा विच इज ओमेगा स्क्वायर. So these are the three roots. There is one property If you add these three roots, you will get answer as 0. Let us add these roots. If you add every root, 1, next root is minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. And next one is minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. So see, plus I root 3 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 get cancelled. Minus half means minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. So here if you do 1 plus omega square, then it is always 0. And see, once the omega is root, what is omega? Omega is root for x cube equal to 1. So omega should satisfy this equation. So you should get omega cube equal to 1. So in short, see, you have cube root of unity means solution of x cube equal to 1. You will get 3 solutions, x as 1, omega means minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, and if you square omega, you will get omega square as third root, minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. There are 2 properties which are important. The first one is omega cube is 1, and next second one is sum of all the roots. You will get it as 0. These are the 2 properties. Okay. Now see, the question will come like this, where they will give high power of omega. So see, one thing we know, omega is root for x cube equal to 1. So omega cube is 1. Use this cleverly. Now what to do is nothing but, this is nothing but see, omega to the power. Divide your 100 by 3. So it will be 3 into 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. So it is plus 1. Right? 99 plus 1. Next, this is omega to the power 3 into. Divide this by 3. So this is 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18 plus 2. Next, this is omega to the power. 300 means 3 into 100. So see, here omega power m plus n means omega power m into omega power n. So this is omega power 3 into 33 into omega power 1. This is omega power 3 whole power. Okay, first we will do step by step. That will be easy. This is omega power 3 into 66 into omega square plus this is c. A power m into n is a power m whole power n. So it is omega cube whole power 100. So see, omega cube, here you can write this as omega cube whole power 33 into omega. This is omega cube whole power 66 into omega square. Omega cube is 1, right? So this is 1 power 100. Again say this is omega cube is 1. So this is 1 power 33 1 into omega. Omega cube is 1. 1 power 66 1. So this is omega plus omega square plus 1. And sum of all 1 omega square is 0. So here answer is 0. Okay. The next is, see, whenever they will give such a type of thing, find omega minus omega square whole square is what? So see, here we have omega minus omega square whole square. So let us simplify. This is omega square plus omega square whole square minus 2 into omega square. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is omega square plus omega power 4 minus 2 times omega cube. So this is omega square in plus omega power 4, we can write it as omega cube into omega power 1 minus 2 into omega cube is what? Plus 1. So this will be omega square, omega cube is 1 into omega, and this is minus 2. So this is omega square plus omega minus 2. Now we know the property that says 1 plus omega square is 0. So from here you will get omega plus omega square as minus 1, right? Substitute here. So this is minus 1 minus 2, which is nothing but minus 3, and this is your answer. The next question comes when they will ask these type of things. अब देखो, कभी भी आपके पास 1 प्लस ओमेगा है या 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर है या ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर है, मतलब उसको एडजस्ट करो, क्योंकि आपके पास प्रॉपर्टी है 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर एज 0 and omega cube as 1, right? So see 1 plus omega square क्या होगा, यहाँ से 1 plus omega square माइनस ओमेगा मिलेगा, राइट? तो ये होगा माइनस ओमेगा होल स्क्वायर प्लस यहाँ पे देखो आपके पास है 1 प्लस ओमेगा, 1 प्लस ओमेगा यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा, माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर, तो ये होगा माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर. So this will give you minus 2 omega whole square plus minus 2 omega square whole square. तो ये हो जाएगा minus 2 square means 4 square, minus 2 square plus 4 into omega square minus 2 square 4 omega square omega power 4. So 4 is common and this is omega square plus omega power 4. So this is nothing but 4 into omega square, omega power 4 means omega cube into omega power 1. So this is 4 into omega square, omega cube is 1 into omega. So this is 4 into omega square plus omega. Now from the first property, omega square plus omega is what? Minus 1. So this is 4 into minus 1, which is nothing but minus 4. Okay, so this is the answer, minus 4. Okay, minus 4 is the answer here. Again see, next you have omega is cube root of unity, then what is the value for 1 plus omega whole cube plus 1 plus omega square whole cube. Again see, क्यूबिंग मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा टर्म्स आएंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा कैलकुलेशन होगा. कैलकुलेशन इतना ज़्यादा मत करो, प्रॉपर्टीज अप्लाई करो. हमारे पास है ओमेगा क्यूब एज 1 एंड 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर एज 0. So see, from the second property you will get 1 plus omega as what? Minus omega square, और ये whole cube बनेगा, plus 1 plus omega square क्या होगा? From the second property minus omega, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका माइनस ओमेगा होल क्यूब. अब देखो माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर होल पावर 3, minus 1 cube is minus and omega power 2 into 3 6, minus 1 cube minus and this is omega cube, right? So this is nothing but you have minus omega power 6, you can write this as omega cube whole square minus omega cube. Omega cube is 1, right? So this is minus 1 square minus 1. So this is minus 1 minus 2, and this is the answer. Okay. So let us solve the Durgeshwar's question. Durgeshwar gave here to see, suppose if you have 9x square minus 9 into a plus b times x plus you have 4a square, okay, you have 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square as 0, then what are the solutions? So whenever you are not able to find the roots directly, always go for applying your formula. That is the easiest way to simplify. So here you will get x as 9 into a plus b plus or minus in the root. B square means 9 square into a plus b whole square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. So it is 2 into 9, 18. Now simplify this neatly and you will get your answer. No worries. If the question is correct, you will get your answer correctly. If question is wrong, then answer will be also wrong. This is 9 times a plus b plus or minus. See, 9 is common. So take 9 common. Outside root it will come up with 3. So this is inside. 1 9 gone, 1 9 is remaining into a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab into 9 means here you have 9a square plus 9b square plus 18 times ab. Now here 4 into the remaining term, right? 9 we took outside. So minus 4 into 2a square means minus 8a square. Next you have minus 4 into 5ab. So it will be minus 20ab. And next minus 4 into 2b square means minus 8b square. Whole divided by you have 18. Now simplify, you will get your answer. So from here you will get x as 9 times a plus b plus or minus 3 times in the root. See, 9a square minus 8a square is a square. Next you have 9b square minus 8b square means plus b square. Next you have 18ab minus 20ab means minus 2ab divided by 18. So this is nothing but 9 times a plus b plus or minus under root. A square plus b square minus 2ab you got. So this is a minus b whole square divided by 18, and here you have 3 as well. Yeah, I think now it is clear, right? See, whenever you have root under square, what is the answer? If you have square root of x square, answer is x, right? Because square root means power is 1 by 2. X square power 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled, answer is x. So here you got your x as 9 times a plus b plus or minus 3 times, see, root a minus b whole square is a minus b divided by 18. So from here you will get your answer. So your two roots will be what? Your two roots will be, solve for your two roots. So first root take addition. So you will get x as 9a plus 9b. Next with plus sign, okay? 9a plus b plus 3a minus b. So it will be plus 3a minus 3b whole divided by 18. So this is 9a plus 3a means 12a, 3b, 9b minus 3b means plus 6b whole divided by 18. You can take 6 common from the numerator. So this is 6 inside, 2a plus b whole divided by 18. So it is 6 ones are 6 threes are. So you got your one root as 2a plus b whole divided by 3. Similarly, find your second root with negative sign. So second root will be x as 9 times a plus b and take negative sign. So it is minus of 3 into a minus b. So minus 3 into a minus b will be minus 3a plus 3b whole divided by 18. So you will get your x as 9a plus 9b minus 3a plus 3b divided by 18. So roots are symmetric. 9a minus 3a is 6a, 9b plus 3b is 12b. So you will get here 6a plus 12b upon 8. So if you take 6a plus 12b upon 18, and here you got what? 12a plus 6b upon 18, right? So if you take 6 your common and cut it out, you will get here your answer as a plus 2b whole divided by 3, right? So see, roots are symmetric. One root is 2a plus b upon 3, another root is a plus 2b upon 3. Yes, so for without using the formula, so this is the safest method. First of all, whenever in exam hall you are not able to guess what is the factorization, go with formula. There don't spend your time, don't waste your time because you have some limited time. Okay, so this is the safest choice, going with the formula. Let us see, can we guess it? So here your answer, this is 9x square minus 9 times a plus b times x, and then this as plus, you have it as 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Now see, you got your roots as a plus 2b upon 3 and one more is 2a plus b upon 3. So you are getting in terms of fractions, right? So here one thing you can do is, if we take 9 common, then this will be x square minus a plus b times x. 1 by 9 times you will get something. Again, if you want to factorize, 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. This is 2a square plus 5b into a plus 2b square. So see, this is quadratic in a square, quadratic in a. So you want your multiplication to be 4b square, addition to be 5b. So you can write this as a square plus 2a square plus 4ab plus ab plus 2b square. Because see, 4b plus b will be 5b, their multiplication is 4b square. So here if you take 2a common, inside you will get here a, and here you will get it as 2b, and here if I take b common, inside you will get a plus 2b. So here you are getting factors as 2a plus b and then a plus 2b. This first work we should do. So now this quadratic equation will become 9 times x square minus 9 times a plus b into x plus, this is same as this product. So this is 2a plus b into a plus 2b equal to 0. Now how can we split this? That is the game, right? Here one thing is, I want my addition to be minus 9 into a plus b, right? And I want my product to be 9 into 2a plus b into a plus 2b. So in order to remove the confusion, suppose if I take 9 common, okay, so this will become x square minus a plus b times x plus, now here I need to divide by 9, right? So this will be 2a plus b into a plus 2b whole divided by 9 equal to 0. So 9 you can cut, because it will go to RHS, it will become 0. So now say you want your addition to be minus of a plus b, you want your multiplication to be 2a plus b, a plus 2b upon 9. So what are the terms you can consider here? Now it is guessing, right? So if you consider here the terms as, the first one as 2a plus b upon 3 with the negative sign, and next as minus of a plus 2b upon 3. The multiplication is obviously the given term. If you add them, you will get answer as minus 2a minus a, minus 3a minus b minus 2b minus 3b upon 3, right, which is nothing but minus of a plus b. So this is the splitting. So you can write this as x square, coefficient is 1. So this is x minus 2a plus b upon 3 into, you can write this as, better to write there, but whenever you have fractions, guessing the roots is difficult, okay? And from here you will get your roots. I think this method is bigger than the formula method, right? With the formula also, in the same number of steps you are getting answer. So preferable choice is going with formula. That will be safe, you will get your answer. Don't try this method, because it is not guaranteed that it will always click for you. Okay. So yeah, this is about quadratic equation. देखो स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम के लिए जिन जिन बच्चों ने रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं किया है, जल्दी से जल्दी रजिस्ट्रेशन करो, क्योंकि अब आप जिस स्टेज पे हो, जिस एज में हो, आपको थोड़ा मतलब एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए कि कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम कैसे देते हैं. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा टाइम लिमिट होता है, तो आपको वहाँ पे टाइम मैनेजमेंट पता चलेगा, स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट पता चलेगा. बिकॉज हायर स्टडीज़ में जाओगे तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स आपको देनी पड़ेगी, राइट? तो इसीलिए इन सारे एग्जाम्स को आप प्लीज़ ट्राई करो, ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है आपके लिए, इसके लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन करो। अगर आप ऑनलाइन ये देना चाहते हो तो वहाँ पे आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन फ्री में मिलेगा, तो बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है। प्लीज़ जो बच्चे जिन्होंने रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ रजिस्ट्रेशन करो और बहुत अच्छी प्राइजेस से सारी जीतो। तो अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करो और फिर एग्ज़ाम दो। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अटेंडिंग क्लास, वॉचिंग माई क्लास। और आज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन चैप्टर खत्म हुआ है। फ्रॉम मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स विल सी विथ रियल नंबर्स। ओके ओके दुर्गेश्वर, नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन आस्क एनी नंबर ऑफ डाउट्स, विल डिस्कस एंड विल सॉल्व। ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे सब कुछ आता है, we will try to solve. Okay, so you can also give your inputs, I can also give you how much I know, so that will be a discussion. Okay, so let's start with first real numbers. पहले रियल नंबर्स को ख़त्म करते हैं, उसके बाद पॉलिनोमियल्स पढ़ते हैं। ओके, पहले रियल नंबर्स ख़त्म करेंगे, उसके बाद हम पॉलिनोमियल्स करेंगे। तो रियल नंबर जल्दी से ख़त्म होगा, उसके बाद पॉलिनोमियल्स को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके देन, थैंक यू फॉर अटेंडिंग क्लास। प्लीज़ लाइक करो वीडियो को, प्लीज़ शेयर करो वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ कमेंट करो वीडियो के ऊपर, एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू इन्फिनिटी लर्न चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच।